Alam nyo ba kung ano ang gagamitin? 304 or 316? Let's start with the biggest difference. For commercial use, of course, use 304. 304 has high corrosion resistance, cost-effective din ito, and mas madaling mabili. And note, if the project needs a stainless steel that's easy to bend or roll, 304 din dapat. Ngayon, pag gagamitin nyo ang stainless steel for harsher environments like exposure to chemicals and salt water, this time, let's use 316 as it is called marine-grade stainless steel. So nakikita ito sa chemical plants, sea environments, or oil refineries or petrochemical applications. Both 304 and 316 are food grade. However, there's a distinction. 304 are commonly used in kitchen appliances and furnitures, while 316 is better for food processing. Bet din of course ang 316 sa pharmaceutical industry, as it is commonly used in surgical instruments and implants.